Students, whenever you see me in video, I keep telling you that you have to study 10 to 12 hours daily to crack NEET. Now the question is how? It is not easy. A lot of students call me and say, sir, I'm not able to study that much. And you keep telling that you have to study that much. This video is especially for students who have joined our online course, but it is also for students who are struggling with the same problem. They are not able to study 10 to 12 hours daily, and ultimately that is what is required to crack NEET. First thing I want to tell you is it is not easy. So don't worry about it if you're not able to do it. We are trying to figure out how we can do it. I'm going to give you a recommendation. Try and implement it. Hopefully some of you might be able to solve this problem. The second thing I'm saying is, my recommendation is, you have to study 7 hours daily and you have to have 2 hours of distraction. This thing helps you study for 10 to 12 hours daily. Otherwise, either you'll get tired or you'll get bored. If you study too much in a day, you will get tired and you will not be able to study next day. And if you'll see the average of 2 days, you will find out it is less than 10 to 12 hours a day. Now, the thing that I'm saying is, I'm saying 5 sittings of 2 hours each. And after every sitting, a 10-minute break. It is not very, very precise. If you don't feel like studying after 1 hour 50 minutes, not 2 hours, 1 hour 50 minutes, take a break. That is okay. But broadly speaking, I'm saying do 2 hour sitting. Now, this is also obvious. A lot of you must have tried it. It's still not working out. So the third point that I want to say is, don't do only high intensity or only low intensity tasks throughout the day. Low intensity tasks will bore you out and you will not be able to complete syllabus. High intensity tasks would tire you and you would again struggle to reach this 10 to 12 hours a day. So let me define what are high intensity and low intensity tasks. High intensity and low intensity. Okay? Let me do that for you. So in my mind, high intensity is question practice. Low intensity is going through theory. Right? Theory could be videos, theory could be revising your notes, theory could be reading NCERT. Right? But when you practice questions, you have to apply this theory, and if you are doing only question practice for 10 hours, that might become very tiring on your body and your mind, right? Second thing is writing tests, right? In this case, low intensity task could be revising, right? You can revise through flashcards, you can revise through bookmarks, or you can revise through your own notes, right? Another high intensity is, you would generally find physics high intensity, you would find biology low intensity, right? So what I'm recommending you is, don't start your day with high intensity task. Start your day, so out of these 10 hours, keep 6 hours for low intensity activities. You can go through theory, you can do revision, you can study biology, right? And 4 hours for high intensity tasks. So which could be question practice, you can write a test, or you can study physics, right? Or even things that you have to cram, which you have to remember, that also is kind of low intensity, but things where you have to understand, apply your mind a little bit more, where it is not only about remembering things, then that might be high intensity. Concept, right? So what I'm saying is, try for 6 hours low intensity activities and 4 hours high intensity activities, and you would be able to reach 10 to 12 hours. And don't worry, don't say to yourself, sir, I want to do high intensity for all 10 hours. I'm not stopping you, but if you struggle with this problem 10 to 12 hours daily, then start like this and you would be able to get into the rhythm. So hopefully students, you understand what I'm trying to say. This is my recommendation. Don't do only high intensity tasks and don't do only low intensity activities. I want to know 2 things from you. One, in the comments of the video, tell me whether you were able to understand this or not. And second thing is, This is my WhatsApp number 9667591930, right? A lot of students struggle with this problem of not being able to study sufficient number of hours, 10 to 12 hours daily. This is my WhatsApp number. Try and implement it for 2-3 days, and after that send me a WhatsApp and tell me whether you are able to fix this problem, whether you are now able to study 10 to 12 hours a day. I would be very interested in knowing, because I have tried it when I used to study. Studying is not easy. At this age, I'm figuring out study is interesting, but when I was your age, I also used to find it like a burden. That is all right. Even if it's a burden, you have to study because you have to crack an exam which has a lot of competition. Correct? But for now, try and implement this and see if this is able to solve your problem, and it is able to give you confidence that yes, you can study for 10 to 12 hours a day. All right, students.